but the most favorite is Vati coming. Sydney. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna react on Master Motion Poster, which is a fan-made by cinematic trailer. Oh my god, there is no trailer yet. I'm literally sad. But before I start, hello everyone, I'm Monali Naik. Welcome to my channel, नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा, तो please do subscribe my channel. So let's go. Busy.
நான் இங்கே ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இல்லை, ப்ரொஃபஸர் ஜேடி.
ஜேடி
ஹாப்பி மாஸ்டர் பொங்கல் நண்பா.
Happy Master Pongal Nanba. Life is very short, Nanba. Always be happy. Quit Panuda. Oh my god. So, JD is a professor, not a student. Okay, he looks very young, but he's not a student. Understand? So, guys, I just got to know that there will be no trailer actually. They will be directly releasing the movie. And oh my god, I'm literally sad because of it, because I was super duper excited for this trailer because it's been long. After a long time, something is getting released, and I got to know that in Tamil Nadu there will be 100% occupancy in theaters. Can you understand? The craze of Master and Thalapathy Vijay in theaters will be 100 times now. And it's been long. There is no movies released in theaters or anything as such. We are watching all those movies on OTT platform and sitting at home itself. But Thalapathy Vijay coming during Pongal, so Master Pongal, he said there in the video itself. So this is gonna be wow. If any of you watching my video goes in the theaters and if they can record the craze over there and all, please tag me because I would love to watch that. The craze in the theaters and everything is super. So it seems that I can guess it by the motion poster itself that he is the professor is having all those bad habits because there was a cigarette cut tray, and in those tray there were so many cigarettes, drinks the bottle was there in his hand itself, and the way he was chilling throughout. I mean, he's a very different kind of sir. It seems to be a very chilled kind of, or something like that, seems to me. And the way he was wearing goggle and the way he was looking, he was literally looking extremely handsome in that poster itself. Oh my god, seriously, he's very cute, very handsome. Guys, he's literally very cute. Okay, on the other hand, when they were introducing Vijay Sethupathi, there was a knife kept. And when they were introducing Vijay Thalapathy, there was a kada, which was revolving, right? So, as we all know, as we have all seen everywhere in the posters and everywhere, there is Vijay Thalapathy versus Vijay Sethupathi. So, one will be like knife kind of thing, like Vijay Sethupathi, but dangerous or villain honge, and then they are roaring on each other, as we have seen already in the posters. So, this is going to be wow. I am super duper excited. So, Quit Panuda, in which they have said that you should be not drinking, and Quit Panuda, because I asked that in my comment section that please do let me know what does Panuda means. So many people told me there. Then life is very short, Nanba, which where they teaches that see life is very short, so be happy and all. So different songs, different meanings, but the most favorite is Vati coming. Sydney. So this is going to be crazy because see, all the songs were released in lyrical form only. There were no dance form which we can see in the video itself. So directly people is going to go and watch it in the theaters for the first time, and they are gonna see the crazy things over there. Thalapathy Vijay, so many fans getting crazy, and those songs, man, the Vati coming soon and all. I want to watch in theater, but I've got to know that everywhere it's gonna get released on 13th, and in Maharashtra, or in Hindi language it's gonna get released on 14th. So ek din late, and one day early you will get to know so many reviews from so many channels and everywhere. And I won't be reviewing anything. I'm just thinking of watching this movie, and because I am getting a bit confused that if I watch a movie, how will I react on the scenes and everything. So I'll have to choose either that to watch the movie or in future to react on the scenes. But even I'm getting crazy because this will be my first movie in the theater in 2021, and that will be of Thalapathy Vijay. Wow. So I guess in throughout the movie he's wearing those check shirts only, because many of the times which I've seen is he's wearing check shirt in the very cute face, very extremely cute face, and seems that this movie is gonna give you a very good message. And this movie, since the time there are news coming that when this movie is gonna get released, so they have given a message that this movie is gonna get released on 13, 14, and since then, the people are waiting madly for the trailer, and every day I could see some of the other trends for Thalapathy Vijay and Master, and people asking for trailer, people asking for everything. People are getting very excited. So I can smell the excitement that people, because even I am getting excited. Even I will be even I'm the one who will watch the first movie of Thalapathy Vijay in theaters. So I wanted trailer actually, but that couldn't happen. But anyways, this motion poster got a very huge response, and this is really cool, man. So I enjoyed this motion poster by Cinematics, and they have done a very good job. Which and this motion poster speaks a lot if you watch it very nicely, neatly. It speaks a lot and it gives you a bit of idea, and I literally enjoyed it. So ट्रेलर नहीं आएगा क्या प्लीज डू कंफर्म मी गाइस दैट are we not going to trailer shit. So I come up with videos every day, and if you want more of such videos, reaction related to Thalapathy Vijay, so please do like this video as much as you can, and please share as much as you can, because in your views I get to know what my audience love to watch and what not. So I come up with videos every day, so don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki parat mi alex. Bye.